The problem isn't that your system costs too much, it's that your offer doesn't explain why it's worth more. You see, many people who work in water treatment think that to sell more, all you have to do is lower the price or give a discount or just give away the purifier and all that stuff. Throw in something for free and so on. But if you sell or rent professional water treatment systems, that logic will ruin you because you're underselling, you're devaluing your product and attracting the wrong customers. You're attracting customers who are only interested in the price, the best price, the cheapest option and so on. The truth is this: the strength of a sale lies in the quality of the offer itself. And by offer, I mean how you've packaged your products and services and how you present and communicate them to your customers, okay? The strength isn't in the price, okay? It's not even in the promotion, but in the way you present the package. Because other people sell the system too. Your competitors also have a range of systems, right? Whether it's for residential, office, or HoReCa use. But the right offer is something only you can build. It can be something that's uniquely yours. A compelling proposal isn't just about what you sell, but how you put it together, what you include, what benefits you make visible, okay? What risks are you removing for your customers? That's another point, okay? How do you make their decision easier, and so on and so forth? So let me give you a concrete example. At a trade show, one of our Onnwater partners offered a complete package. It had the osmosis system, certified of course, installation included, the first membrane change for free, a free diagnostic check every 6 months to make sure the system was working, an extended warranty, okay? And other bonus items that he was giving away at the time, right? Sometimes they could be personalized bottles or other times water flasks and so on. In any case, additional bonuses, but you see how he created a complete package. This way, the customer saw value. They didn't just see a system that nowadays they can just take a picture of and go find somewhere else on the internet, okay? They saw value, they saw expertise, they saw care. They perceived that this offer, okay, gave them security and helped them make a decision. So now you might be asking yourself, okay, Fabio, but I have the systems. My salespeople, my sales agents have the systems. How do I create a proposal that's, let's say, compelling? I can give you a few pointers, some elements that should always be included in this type of proposal to make it compelling, to be competitive in the market. And by competitive, I don't mean having the lowest price, okay? But having the highest value relative to the price. So the balance between value and price is the most advantageous one, okay? So first of all, it's useful to add value around the products. So don't just limit yourself to saying you install the product and provide maintenance, because that's what the customer already expects. The customer already knows that when he pays, when he signs a rental contract for a water dispenser, obviously he will be given maintenance, okay? Give it more added value, okay? Make him understand that maybe every so often you check his water, you call him every so often to see if everything is okay, even if he hasn't called you about any problems or difficulties. Be proactive in following up with customers and making sure your system continues to deliver the results they want from a water supply and purification system, okay? Point number 2, remove the risk. So set up a guarantee, the classic satisfaction or money back guarantee, or a 24-month guarantee, or a rapid assistance guarantee where you know you'll intervene within a certain time, okay? These are all levers that help those who are undecided today decide, okay? Especially when you remove the risks, this is important. Number 3, give them some guidance or some valuable content, okay? In other words, accompany your water dispenser proposal with a fact sheet, a report, a visual comparison with other alternatives, a comparison or a comparison table. Make it clear that they're choosing a professional solution and not a product from Amazon, a product from a flyer, okay? Remember that the perfect offer, the perfect proposal is not the one that costs the least, but the one that makes you decide first, okay? So the better you are at presenting all these details around your system, around your service, around your history, because I already know that you've been in this sector for a long time, and I know that you do the job well, as it should be done. Conduct proper inspections. Respond to customers, even on Sunday evening when the restaurant system breaks. I already know that you do these things and you have a team of technicians ready to intervene, or you always have someone answering the phone, etc. But that's not enough. It's not enough because the customer already expects this. So you have to enrich all of this with other things following the examples I gave you. I hope this video was helpful to you. As always, I recommend subscribing to the Onnwater YouTube channel and clicking the bell icon to be among the first to see this type of content. See you in the next video.